The program starts by importing the necessary Swing and AWT package to build a graphical user interface. The class button example extends JFrame, which repeats a window in Java Swing and implements the action listener interface, which is used to handle button click events. Inside the constructor, the frame title is set as button example and the window size is defined as 300 into 250 pixels. The layout manager is set to null so that all components can be manually positioned using the setBounds off method. Three buttons S, No and Close are created using the JButton class and placed at specific position on the window. A JLabel is also added to display the message when a button is clicked. After adding the buttons and a label to the frame, each button is linked to the action listener by calling add action listener of this method. The action performed of method is automatically called whenever any of these buttons are clicked. It uses getSourceOf to check which button triggered the event. If S button is clicked, the label displays button S is processed. If the No button is clicked, the label displays button No is pressed. If the Close button is clicked, the disposeOf method is called, which close the application window. Finally, the main-of method creates an instance of button examples and makes the window visible using setVisibleOf. Output explanation. The output is graphical rather than textual. Each button click triggers an action event, which is captured by the action performed of method. The label dynamically updates based on which button is pressed, providing immediate visual feedback. The close button does not display a message. Instead, it terminates the application window using disposeOf, demonstrating how event-driven programming works in GUI application. The program ComboList demonstrates the use of Swing GUI components such as JComboBox, JLabel, and JTextField in Java. The class ComboList and JFrame, which represents a GUI window and implements the action listener interface to handle user action. Inside the constructor, the frame title is set to ComboList with a pink background color and demonstrate of 400 into 30 pixels. The layout is set to null, allowing manual position of each GUI element. A label named Select Subject is displayed at the top, followed by a combo box drop-down menu that contains 5 subject names called Database Management System, Java, Python, C Programming, and Operation System. Another named subject name and a text field are placed below it. When the user selects a subject from the combo box, an action event is triggered invoking the action performed of method. Inside this method, the selected subject is retrieved using getSelectedItemOf and displayed in the text field using setTextOf. Finally, the main-of method creates an instance of ComboList and makes the GUI visible and using setVisibleOf. This program provides an iterative way for users to select an option from a combo box and automatically view the selection in a text field, demonstrating event-driven GUI programming in Java. Output explanation. The output of this program is dynamic and GUI based. The JCombo box provides a drop-down list of subjects. When a user selects any subjects, an action event is selected. Subject name using combo box get selected items of. The retrieved string is then displayed in the JText field, providing instant feedback to the user. For examples, if the user selects Java, the text field will display Java. If the user changes the selection to operating system, then the text file updates automatically to operating system. This demonstrates real-time interactive between GUI components and event handling logic.